So I'm currently in a hotel with my Mavic Mini. What could possibly go wrong? Or on the other hand, what awesome things are going to happen here? Well, keep an eye on the main channel because me and the Mavic Mini will be making an appearance on there, depending on time, hopefully this weekend. And I'll be showing you some really cool things that you can possibly be doing whilst you're in lockdown if you're in one of the COVID-19 affected quarantined countries. I must say, this Mavic Mini, so it did finally arrive, by the way, from DJI. This is a review model, so hence why it didn't come from a local distributor. It came from DJI in Shenzhen. So I had to wait for it, but I must say, I have just fallen in love with this little thing. Not just because of its size, but its capabilities. Now, yes, it's limited on range in some respects, but it has plenty of range for the purpose, intended purpose of that drone, which is to be a compact, portable, close proximity drone to fly and have fun with. And I must say, today I've had a lot of fun with the Mavic Mini. Anyway, keep an eye on the main channel, links in the video below, and I'll add a link to, links in the description below. I'll add a link to the full video when I post it. But this is definitely one that you will not want to miss. Anyway, comment below with your thoughts on the Mavic Mini, give the video a thumbs up, and if you're an absolute loser, give the video a thumbs down. By the way, I saw a really interesting video the other day. A guy did a test to see the reaction of trolls giving his videos thumbs down. Basically, he recorded two videos, same content, put them both online, managed to give a load of them, one of them, a load of thumbs down. And interestingly, that one appears higher in the results. So anyway, if you're an absolute loser, give the video a thumbs down because it will get ranked even higher.